for me, online learning is a very good way to learn about the trendy stuff, and you don't need to travel so much. Just it happens right in front of you. With technology nowadays, it helps everyone to see and learn from all the chefs. The program that we have is from basic to advanced. So we are not teaching right away, just start from advanced, but we are teaching something very basic from pastry and also culinary. Students who graduated from APCA Malaysia, they are always ready in the field. Once the moment they go into the industry, they are ready to work. It's a very good news to all the home bakers. By taking this program, you will see a lot of techniques that we are using for the competition and also we are using for the production. So make sure you are using a trendy technique, but on the same time, don't forget the classic way.
Hi, I'm Chef Tan, and I will be your chef at APCA Chef Online.